Hey there, welcome to Orange Interior Design, your go-to channel for all things stylish, smart and sensational in the world of interiors. If you're ready to turn your office into a productivity powerhouse, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the best office interior design hacks to help you create a workspace that's not only efficient, but also inspiring. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss our updates. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Your support helps us bring you more amazing content every week. Let's get started, shall we? Whether you're working from home or revamping your corporate office, these tips will help you work smarter, not harder. Let's begin with the basics. Why does office interior design matter? Well, studies show that your workspace directly impacts your productivity, mood, and even physical health. A well-designed office can boost your efficiency by up to 20% or more. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about creating a space that works for you. Imagine this. You're sitting at a desk with poor lighting, clutter everywhere, and a chair that leaves your back aching. Sounds like a nightmare, right? Poor lighting can strain your eyes, leading to fatigue and reduced focus. Disorganization can create stress, making it harder to concentrate on tasks. And an uncomfortable chair? That's a recipe for long-term back problems and physical discomfort. Now picture this instead. A clean, organized space with plenty of natural light streaming through large windows. An ergonomic chair supports your posture, reducing strain and making it easier to stay focused. The desk layout is thoughtfully arranged, ensuring that everything you need is within easy reach, and you don't have to dig through clutter to find your notes. This kind of workspace isn't just visually appealing, it's functional and designed to support your well-being and productivity. The psychological benefits of good office design cannot be overstated. A well-planned space can enhance your mood, making you feel more motivated and engaged. When you walk into an organized, welcoming environment, it sets a positive tone for the day ahead. Natural light, for instance, helps regulate your body's circadian rhythms, improving your sleep quality and energy levels. Similarly, elements like greenery or calming colors can reduce stress and create a sense of balance. Let's not forget about the impact of customization. Personalizing your workspace with meaningful touches, like a family photo, inspiring quotes, or a piece of art, can make your office feel like an extension of your personality. When a space feels uniquely yours, it fosters a sense of ownership and pride, encouraging you to maintain it and make the most of your time there. Ultimately, your workspace should be a reflection of your needs and goals. It's about finding the perfect balance between functionality and aesthetics, so you're inspired to perform at your best every single day. Whether you're setting up a home office or redesigning a corporate space, these principles remain the same. So, what does your dream workspace look like? First up, lighting. It's one of the most underrated elements of interior design. Poor lighting can cause eye strain, fatigue, and even headaches. So, let's fix that. Natural light is your best friend. Position your desk near a window to take advantage of daylight. Can't get enough natural light? Opt for LED lights that mimic daylight. They're energy efficient and easy on the eyes. Also, consider layering your lighting. Use a combination of overhead lights, task lighting, and ambient lighting to create a balanced setup. A desk lamp with adjustable brightness is a game changer for those late-night work sessions. See the difference? Lighting can make or break your workspace vibe. And don't forget to manage glare. Simple solutions, like adjustable blinds or curtains, can help you control the intensity of natural light during different times of the day. Now, let's talk ergonomics, because comfort equals efficiency. Start with your chair. An ergonomic chair with adjustable height, lumbar support, and armrests is worth every penny. Trust me, your back will thank you. Next, your desk setup. Keep your monitor at eye level to avoid neck strain. Use a laptop stand if needed, and don't forget a separate keyboard and mouse to keep your wrists in a neutral position. And let's not forget footrests. If your feet don't touch the ground comfortably, a footrest can make a world of difference. It's these small adjustments that make long work hours manageable. Remember, good ergonomics isn't just about furniture, it's about movement. Taking short breaks to stretch or walk around every hour can keep you refreshed and focused. Clutter is the enemy of productivity. A messy desk equals a messy mind. Start by decluttering. Get rid of items you don't use regularly and keep only the essentials within arm's reach. Use organizers, trays, and drawers to keep your supplies tidy. Label everything for easy access. And don't forget cable management. Velcro straps and cable boxes can work wonders in taming those unruly wires. Nothing beats the satisfaction of a clean, organized workspace. For digital decluttering, consider apps like Trello or Notion to keep your tasks and projects on track. Digital tools can be as important as physical organization. And if desk space is limited, use vertical storage solutions like pegboards or wall-mounted shelves. These keep your items accessible without crowding your workspace. Did you know that colors can affect your mood and productivity? It's true. For instance, blue is calming and great for focus, while yellow can spark creativity. Green is ideal for balance and reducing stress. Choose a color scheme that complements the type of work you do. And don't shy away from adding a pop of color through decor, artwork, or even a feature wall. It's amazing how a little color can transform a space. For a tech-savvy touch, consider smart lighting that can change colors based on your mood or the time of day. If you're unsure about colors, experiment with removable wallpaper or interchangeable decor items to find what works best for you. Speaking of green, let's talk plants. Adding a touch of nature to your office has been proven to reduce stress and improve air quality. Low-maintenance plants like succulents, snake plants, or pothos are perfect for workspaces. Not a green thumb? No worries. Opt for high-quality artificial plants. They still add a splash of life to your office without the upkeep. Doesn't this look so inviting? Pro tip: use vertical gardens or hanging planters if floor space is limited. For busy professionals, self-watering planters are a fantastic option. They keep your plants healthy with minimal effort. Let's talk about zoning. A well-thought-out layout can maximize your efficiency. Divide your workspace into zones: a focus zone for deep work, a collaboration zone for meetings or brainstorming, and a relaxation zone for breaks. If you're working in a smaller space, multifunctional furniture can help you make the most of it. Think foldable desks, storage ottomans, or wall-mounted shelves. With a little creativity, even the tiniest spaces can be super functional. Incorporate movable partitions for flexibility, especially in open office setups. Use rugs, lighting, or furniture placement to visually define different zones within the same space. This creates a sense of organization and purpose. For example, consider how a soft area rug can anchor a seating zone, setting it apart from a workspace without the need for physical dividers. A strategically placed floor lamp can create a cozy reading nook, while pendant lights above a desk can delineate a focus zone. Furniture placement also plays a critical role in zoning. A bookshelf positioned as a divider not only separates areas, but adds storage and aesthetic appeal. Think about how you naturally move through your space. Does your layout promote productivity and flow, or does it create unnecessary obstacles? Rearrange furniture to guide movement intuitively and to make the best use of your space. For open-plan offices, movable partitions can offer flexibility, enabling you to reconfigure zones as needed. Additionally, incorporating color into different zones can subconsciously signal their purpose. For example, a vibrant wall in a brainstorming corner can encourage creativity, while muted tones in a relaxation area promote calmness. Experiment with elements like modular furniture or multifunctional pieces that adapt to your needs, ensuring each zone has its own unique yet cohesive identity. Finally, don't forget to make your space your own. Add personal touches like photos, artwork, or a vision board to keep you motivated. But remember, less is more. Too many distractions can hinder your focus. Create an inspiration corner with quotes or objects that spark joy. It's these little details that make your workspace uniquely yours. A rotating set of inspirational pieces can keep your space feeling fresh and exciting. Personalization doesn't have to be expensive. Simple upgrades like a custom desk pad or monogrammed accessories can make your workspace feel special. Let's not forget about technology. Incorporating the right tech tools into your office can streamline your workflow in ways you might not have imagined. Smart speakers are a great starting point. They can set reminders, control lighting, play your favorite focus playlists, and even answer quick questions so you can stay in the zone without reaching for your phone. Beyond smart speakers, consider investing in noise-cancelling headphones. They're perfect for drowning out distractions, especially if you work in a shared or open-plan office. Pair them with productivity-enhancing apps like Asana or Notion, which help organize tasks and projects seamlessly. If you're a fan of automation, tools like IFTT or Zapier can connect various apps and devices, saving you precious time on repetitive tasks. Let's talk about hardware. A dual monitor setup can significantly boost your efficiency by allowing you to multitask more effectively. Whether you're designing, coding, or managing spreadsheets, having extra screen real estate reduces the time spent toggling between tabs. And don't overlook the importance of quality peripherals. An ergonomic keyboard and mouse can make extended work sessions much more comfortable, reducing the risk of strain injuries. Connectivity is another crucial aspect. With so many devices in use, cable management can quickly become a headache. Use cable boxes, Velcro straps, or underdesk organizers to keep wires tidy and out of sight. A clean setup not only looks professional, but also makes it easier to identify and fix any technical issues that may arise. For lighting, consider smart bulbs that can adjust brightness and color temperature throughout the day. Cooler tones in the morning can energize you, while warmer tones in the evening can help you wind down. These subtle changes create a more adaptable environment that supports your natural rhythms and work schedule. Finally, don't forget about security. Protect your digital workspace with robust antivirus software and regular backups. And if your office relies heavily on tech, a UPS, uninterruptible power supply, can be a lifesaver during power outages, ensuring your work isn't lost unexpectedly. Incorporating technology into your office is about making tools work for you. From streamlining daily tasks to creating a more comfortable and efficient environment, the right tech setup can truly transform your work experience. Apps like Asana or Notion can keep your projects organized. For those who like automation,